What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Magic, which has pumped up a massive 35% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $1.82. So we're going to be going through its next potential target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? And looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Should you hold on to it? So on and so on. And obviously, as usual, going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? And when can it potentially hit the $5 mark? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 4% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. And we've got Magic as the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase. So in the last hour itself, it managed to pump up just about 2%. Over the last day, 34%. Over the week, 40%, even though it's been quite volatile with major increases about a week ago and then drop back down and right now pumping back up. And over the month, a huge 247% in the space of 4 weeks. This is absolutely crazy. As you can see, throughout the whole of December, it's gained a huge amount of money with little dips in between, but overall, it has been moving towards a positive direction. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the CoinMarketCap website, and we can see here the trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $267 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now, both buyers and sellers. And especially over the last 4 weeks, guys, there's been a lot of attention, a lot of hype around this crypto. So we are going to see way more people trading the crypto, looking into it, and a lot more investors as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line at the top here running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Magic, which is $1.21 here in purple. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red at $1.81, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? We do have the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. However, they are looking quite steep, which means it is not realistic. As you guys can see, it has gone up in value quite a bit, so its next target is for it to drop back down in value a little bit, because as I've mentioned plenty of times before, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Magic. So I'm expecting it to drop back down to about $1.65 to $1.70 before it pumps back up in value, heading to around the $1.90 towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Magic, potentially heading to about $1.90 is what I'm expecting. But don't get me wrong, we are going to see dips in between as well, where it's likely to drop down to about $1.60, $1.65 as well. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got quite a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and we've got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially, both lines are going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what should be expected from Magic over the coming 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid to end of next week, it should be trading around the $1.80 target. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Magic over the next week or so. So potentially heading over the $2 mark is what I'm expecting, guys. Again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up and down. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So heading above the $2 mark is what I'm expecting by mid to end of next week from this crypto. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking much more positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards, heading towards a positive direction. So in this case, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Magic over the coming weeks. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late March, early April 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Magic, potentially heading to around $3.80, $3.90, basically heading towards the $4 mark by mid-April is what I'm expecting. Yes, I know for some of you guys it may seem like it's a major increase from where it is at the moment, but again, if we manage to give it a good 6 to 8, 9 weeks, guys, I'm pretty sure this crypto should be able to hit the $4 mark, especially the way it's been performing since the start of the year is absolutely incredible. And if we can manage to keep up like that, then we should definitely be able to hit the $4 mark around April, maximum late April time. Of course, this depends on the crypto market. For example, if it goes for a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Magic, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Magic, guys. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, this is very interesting. We have broken out from the red zone, and we are currently trading in the green zone. So over the coming hours, it's likely to drop back down into the red zone and then break out again, going into the green zone. And for the rest of the year, potentially, or the next few months, we should be heading upwards into the dark green zone and potentially higher and higher up over the coming weeks and months as well. But yeah, the thing is, we managed to break out from the red zone. Previously, we did just about hit it about a couple of days ago. We dropped back down in value, and right now we have finally managed to break out after a good approximately just about a year. As you guys can see, last May is when we dropped into the red zone, and ever since then we've been literally all the way down at the bottom of the red zone, and finally we managed to slowly and steadily gain value and break out of the red zone. So yeah, for now, green zone. By the end, well, not even by the end, but by mid-year, guys, I'm expecting Magic to be hitting the $5 mark quite easily if the crypto market manages to keep up. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on Magic. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as it's free to subscribe. And also, don't forget to like the video as well. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.